Hi, welcome to our Mallard Creek Elementary School tutorial on how to find and search our school's library catalog on the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools Follett Destiny system. Follett Destiny is the system used in all of the school libraries across CMS, and it is fairly user-friendly and straightforward, but we're going to go through it step by step today. The first step is to get to the site. The URL is char-mech.follettdestiny.com. You can see it at the top here. You only need to type in this first part to get you to this page. Okay. Once you're here, you're going to want to find your school. So it is divided by the different kinds of schools. We have Montessori, K-8, high schools, middle schools, elementary schools. Mallard Creek is an elementary school, is only K-5, so you're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down until you find the name of your school, and you're going to click on that. It's going to take you to this home page. Now, this home page is blank, but we don't have any, this is not the page we need, so we're going to go to the top, and we're going to click on Catalog. And this is how you can search our entire catalog. All of our books, all roughly 5,000 of them, are in this system. So there are 5 different ways that you can search for books on this page. You can do it by keywords. So if there's something in your book very general that you know it's about, you can search for it that way. If you know the whole title or even just part of the title of your book, you can type it in and search it that way. Author, you can search by last name, first name, and it will pop up all of the books with that author's name. If there's a specific subject in mind, or if there is a series of books, for example, the Magic Treehouse series, or the 39 Clues, or the Magic School Bus, it can be searched that way as well. So one of the brand new EL curriculum units for kindergarten, I believe even first grade, is plants and trees and how they grow and how they take care of them and the life cycle of a seed and a tree and a plant. So I'm going to use that today to show you examples on how to find books. So we're going to start very generally with the word tree. And you can type in you can press keyword, and it will bring up every book in our catalog that is somehow or other related to trees. And as you can see here, that brings us to 98 titles that have tree in them or are related to trees somehow. That is a lot to go through, and as you can see, we have here some fiction, some of our easier everybody books, and some of our nonfiction books. For our EL units, I know most teachers have asked for nonfiction books. If that is the case, the easiest way to do that is to go up here where it says sort by, and then go to call number. That will sort them by nonfiction order in the Dewey Decimal System, which is how we have our nonfiction categorized in the Mallard Creek Library. So here we are. These are the nonfiction books that are related to trees. And here you can see we start to see titles like Explore the Deciduous Forest, The Magic School Bus in the Rainforest, Giant Plants from Pine Cone to Pine Tree. So these are the sorts of books that you will need to find. So under each title, it has the call number, which is where exactly on our shelves it is. It has the author by last name. And then on this side, it has whether or not it is currently available and how many copies we have. So if it says 0 of 1 available, that means we have 1 copy, and right now it is checked out. If you scroll down a little further, and it says, for example, this one, Animals Staying Safe. Again, the call number, the author. This one, it says we also have 1 copy, but this one is available. Once you find a book that you're interested in, whether it is or is not available, you can email me and I can put it on a hold list for you. If it's currently on our shelves, I'll go ahead and pull it. And if it's not, I keep a list of books that staff members are waiting for. It is first come, first serve. If these lists are a little bit overwhelming for you, you can go back to library search and you're going to want to use the buttons on the site instead of the back button, because if not, it will ask you to confirm resubmission and refresh the page. If these are too overwhelming for you, or if you have absolutely no idea of a specific title or an author that you're looking for, we do have one other way to search for books that is fairly easy. When you come back up here to where it says basic, power, visual, you're going to want to click on visual. And these are books that have been sort of categorized already into different sections. So again, we're looking for more science and nonfiction books. So you're going to click on science for today. And look at that, we have a plant section. So if you will click on that, it actually gives you 17 titles of books about plants or relating to plants. This is a much smaller, more streamlined list. So if you would like to come here first to get an idea of what we have, these are some of our books, but not all of our books. Again, you can see here call number, author, and then if it's available. So Plants Can't Sit Still is not available, but Sunscreen for Plants and Desert Plants and Experiments with Plants are all available. Again, if you would like to request these titles, all you have to do is send me an email, and I do have a staff hold system in place for titles relating to lessons. Thank you for listening to our tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I hope that it gives you some guidance on how to use our Follett Destiny catalog system.